Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today it's an exciting day because I'm going to unbox and review the Manfrotto XPRO monopod. Why did I go for this monopod? It's simply because I shoot a lot of weddings, and in order for me to keep my camera stable, I wanted to put it on a monopod. You know, you're not gonna carry around a tripod and run and gun. So using a monopod is the best way to run. Put the monopod on the floor, and then the heavy setup of my camera, it sits on the monopod. It's easy, it's super fast. I saw a lot of reviews on this particular model. This is the 4 pieces. It holds the heaviest of the loads, but we're gonna talk to the details right now. Let me quickly go and open this box. Here it is, Imagine More. It's a beautiful package. I think it's about 2 kilograms the weight. Let me quickly go and open this box. So let's open. Let's see what we've got inside. So we've got the Manfrotto XPRO video monopod, and here we have the Manfrotto MVH500 video head. You've got the fluid head as well, and we have the Manfrotto 500p long video camera plate. Here it is. It's obviously the Manfrotto plate, and let's see what's inside. We have another package here. This is obviously the handle. This little thing here is the cover for the bottom, so you can use without the legs. Okay, let's move everything there. So here we have the warranty card and obviously the manual on how to use it. It looks very solid, to be honest with you. And the legs over here, let's open the legs. You know, to push this up and open, push up and open. You have to push up and open, and here it is. A little fluid head here, goes like this, pretty cool actually how it works. And then you close it. So basically this legs over here, obviously you cannot put a camera and leave the camera there. These legs are here just to hold the monopod in place. So in the end, well, I think it looks pretty good. It's quite sturdy. I will have to go and play with it, but I mean the material is aluminium. It looks good, and I like that it has this rubber handle here, and also you can put your hand over here just like this, and then you can hold it there. You can rest your hand here when you're shooting. Put your hand here. You can rest your hand just like this. It has this quick locking mechanism. Pretty fast actually, it locks in place. Quite good, and I like the fact that you can put it on the floor just like this. Obviously it's not going to hold your camera or anything like this, but you know, you put it in place, it stays in place. And the fact that you can do this, it goes there, you can go many different directions. It doesn't go too far, but you know, it's pretty good. The fact that it included this, I think it's quite nice. You know, some of this plastic feels quite cheap. I know they probably tried to get the price down or something. This one you can buy now for about 25% discount. The model is about 3-4 years old. I'm not sure why they're not producing any more models like this. The newer ones, the carbon fiber ones, are good, very light, but it cannot sustain a weight of more than 3 kilograms. But my camera is quite heavy. I've got like 5-6 kilograms rig, and camera all together, so I needed something that, you know, it's quite sturdy. So this is pretty good. I'll have to do more tests with it, you know, but for now, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting and useful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and if you have any questions about this, please leave them down below. I'll be very happy to answer them. And you know, that's all. Thanks so much for watching.